sexual addiction, right? Tell me how that's manifesting in your life.
It's just ruining everything. I can't really think about, my sports and, everything that I do. I'm always constantly thinking about, what's next or...
Is it masturbation?
Yeah, I mean, it's keeping me locked up in my house pretty much, not letting me go check the
Have you ever hurt yourself? Masturbate to the point of injury?
Oh, for sure. I mean, you keep waiting until you don't work till you're like, wake up, come on, work. So, I mean, oh yeah, I mean, pain doesn't matter.
Right.
There are like women you work with every day too?
Yeah, and then it's just, it's the normal, some of the girls that are kind of in my life that have kept around, and then just the constant strides of,
Why are they doing? Have you gotten any STDs?
no, not that I know of.
It's amazing. Use a condom?
Yep.
So we're going to really work with you on this here, and there's going to be a lot of challenging things.
Yep.
What I'm going to do now is do a physical exam on you, if that's okay. If you feel comfortable with that. So let's go do that.
Hello.
You got any swimmers ears or anything?